Are you always wondering, will this moisturizer suit my skin type? Well, guess what? Lakme has come out with 5 variants for different skin types. Come rain, sun or snow, this 72 Hour Hydra Pro is the bomb. Oily skin peeps, this one's for you. The green tea mattifying moisturizer makes for a perfect primer under makeup as it visibly minimizes our pores. The aloe vera aqua gel protects against pollution and smells so refreshing, as does the aloe vera all day cream, which has SPF 20 and is perfect for dry skin like mine.